Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. My name is The Real Nenye, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how I make my glowing and moisturizing body butter. If that's what you're interested in, do keep watching. If you're a new subscriber and just see my face for the very first time, you're welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, how do I tell you that I love you? Do you need kidney? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my body butter. This body butter is moisturizing, hydrating, and brightening. Not bleaching, no, not bleaching, brightening. A body butter that evens your skin tone. And importance of body butter as against regular lotion or regular um, cream or whatever is this is a mixture of both butters and oil. And when using a mixture of both butters and oil, it tends to penetrate into your skin faster. Your skin gets moisturized quickly. And I have been using body butters for I think 2 years, and I've been making them myself at home. I'm just going to be showing you the steps and how I make them by myself. So I use 4 major ingredients. I use vitamin C oil, almond oil, Vit oil, and shea butter.
Fire cooking inside of my room, ain't nobody gon' know when I'm finna be on when I'm locked in inside of my zone. Phone on speed, go crazy. Rock by beats, but it ain't no baby. I'm with the pack, better sit and relax. Gotta keep me a second. Your girl wanna date me, whoa. I got a truck full of flows, not even half of it shown. Spazzing on low, spitting for show.
First, I put all of my shea butter in the mixing bowl. Then I use a double pot boiling method to melt my shea butter, whereby I already have like a boiling water in the pot. Then I put my mixing bowl over the boiling water and allow the shea butter to melt gradually on its own.
For sure, don't need to tell me, I already know. Flying past the clouds where there's no sound, ain't coming back down. I stand for now. Fire cooking inside of my room, ain't nobody gon' know when I'm finna be on when I'm locked in inside of my zone. Phone on speed, go crazy. Rock by beats, but it ain't no baby. Let me be Peter Parker to your Gwen Stacy. Ball like a starter, but you can't just play me, yeah. Fire cooking inside of my room, ain't nobody gon' know when I'm finna be on when I'm locked in inside of my zone. 9 RP the juice, man, God bless it. So 100 degrees down to passive zero.
When the shea butter is fully melted, you have to allow it to cool a little bit before you put in all the other oils in it.
Passive zero, gon' be a beat down when I hop on that song. Whoa, whoa, ballin' like a pro. I know you would know, so get back in your place, bro. Flying past the clouds where there's no sound, ain't coming back down. I stand for now. Fire cooking inside of my room, ain't nobody gon' know when I'm finna be on when I'm locked in inside of my zone. Phone on speed, go crazy. Rock by beats, but it ain't no baby. Let me be Peter Parker to your Gwen Stacy. Ball like a starter, but you can't just play me, yeah. Fire cooking inside of my room, ain't nobody gon' know when I'm finna be on when I'm locked in inside of my zone. 9.
Maybe I made some mistakes. Maybe you shouldn't talk that way. Really matter if the bed's made, or if we wore the same shirt that day. Maybe I don't think the same. Maybe you showed up too late. I left my shoes by the doorway. I like it that way. And I don't need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed to. I'm that someone you lean all your weight on. If you don't need me, why you call me in the night when you're so lonely?
I'm I'm going to stir with a spoon and allow it to sit for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to refrigerate it for about 30 minutes because it has to sort of solidify back, but not too solid. Next is time to whip. Using this tool, I'm going to whip these refrigerated oils or these solidified oils until I get the consistency that I want for my body butter.
Why you call me in the night when you're so lonely? Lay it on me, so baby come on. Tonight just let me be your someone. Be your someone. Be your someone. So what you wanna do now? We both know how we're feeling. I can hear you breathing. And I don't need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed to. I'm that someone you lean all your weight on. If you don't need me, why you call me in the night when you're so lonely? Lay it on me, so baby come on. Tonight just let me be your someone. Be your someone. Be your someone. Maybe I'm a little lazy. Maybe you're a little crazy lately. But I don't change things. Ooh, be your someone. And I don't need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed to. I'm that someone. You lean all your weight on. If you don't need me, why you call me in the night when you're so lonely? Lay it on me, so baby come on. Tonight just let me be your someone. Be your someone. Be your someone. Be your someone.
Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.